Every product at ZLINE is carefully designed and produced with both high-end functionality and sophisticated aesthetic as the forefront of the creation process. We aim to provide people with breathtaking pieces and accents for their kitchens and bathrooms. We strive to bring a consistently high standard in functionality and construction in all our products and categories to ensure a, best-in-class customer experience.
With such a passionate and caring group of individuals behind our in-house customer service, we are able to provide an unparalleled and personal experience. Our culture allows for every person here to do their best work, and that reflects in every aspect of ZLINE.
The one goal that ZLINE is always striving to accomplish is to elevate. From the designing of our products to our marketing and our customer experience, we're constantly working on ways to elevate the entire experience for the consumer. We aim to lead the industry and push the boundary on what luxury means.
We are always looking to innovate and move the appliance industry forward.
We aim to deliver the highest quality possible with the best experience possible to both our customers and our partners.
Our brand is a manifestation of attainable luxury, and we hope that our customers feel the integrity in that statement when they bring our products into their home.